What's up, bud?
How are you feeling? You like this?
Good. Yeah, I mean, this feels pretty normal.
Okay. All right. Pro. So, new studio.
Well, I mean, for those that don't know, this feels normal because for 2 years, you and I would have town halls on
On
Playbite,
Playbite. Yes,
where
sure.
we would talk to a gaggle of teenagers who played our games
We
on
didn't
their
have
app.
a studio though.
We did not have a studio. We had my office and a camera.
Yeah, which now looks pretty amateurish in hindsight. But we have a studio now.
Mm.
Big chapter. Big new thing we're going to be doing.
Well, it's really cool because we can actually communicate with our creators way more effectively. So what we were saying in the office yesterday, I was talking about how people need to understand that the benefit of hiring a Twitch streamer is all the content that comes from other people not affiliated with those Twitch streamers. Same thing. But we can give all that information to creators and, everyone listening right now. Like you. You are listening.
And you. Fun fact, Pear Cam, just so you know, I know it's your first time here. This is the Pear Cam. That is the banana cam.
Yeah.
Where's your bananas?
This is more comfortable.
Okay. All right. So what did we do this week?
Where's my bananas?
Well, actually,
let's start
first talking for the audience. They're like, what the hell is happening right now? Just to give everyone context, watching at home, we have built a whole studio inside of the new Noise HQ because we think a huge new unlock for our business and our journey and how we help creators keep growing and earning within our platform is by helping as many people as possible get as good as possible.
Yeah, you're saying this is for us. This is not for us.
This is not for us.
This is for our creators.
This is
to
for
earn way more money. I said earlier that we will have our first millionaire creator on Noise within the next however long.
I think
Let's say 12
before
months.
the end of the year.
Yeah, 12 months. We have we have a millionaire creator.
Yeah.
Like this is to help get those millionaire creators.
Sky, we're looking at you.
I mean, there's
we have built this studio because we think that we are going to be able to help so many more people as we keep growing by new mediums like a video podcast, short form content, Q&A, content reviews are going to take a whole new life of their own. Everyone on the team's going to be rotating through these chairs. I just like that I'm going to get to hang out with you a little more. I know we don't get to do that so much.
I was at your house last weekend, all Sunday night.
But not just the two of us.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Yeah, we'll ignore James over there in the corner. He's just watching his little...
No, actually, James has been working really hard getting all this set up, and we're super proud of him and excited. We'll have him in the front of the house at some point here soon.
He's going to be way better on camera than me.
All right, so let's keep the ball rolling. People are going to be like, what are they going on about? Most important thing is just using this one first video to announce that a lot more content is coming your way. We will be sending you different channels and mediums to which you should subscribe so you can keep up with all the latest and greatest.
Yeah, content from us, which is aimed to help them.
Yes.
Yeah.
But also, I think we're going to want to weave in creators. We're going to want to weave in brands, things like that. We're going to have fun, lots of fun. We've got a lot of interesting and exciting and gamified things that I think we can do.
I mean, most importantly, I don't have to prep for this at all.
Yeah.
I just come here and talk.
You're just natural.
I'm just coming here and
get you out of the Mac. Get you
the
away
problem
from
is going to be me shutting up.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
That's
All right, so anyway.
All right, now, give me your thoughts on the Roman Empire of these dates.
What did we ship this week for anyone who has been a little busy with life or work? What is new on the Noise platform this week? I know we did a lot. Can you tell me about it?
Yeah, I mean, there's been definitely a sneak peek for 1.8, which is super cool. 1.8 officially came out. We've been beta testing it for a couple weeks with some of our, I guess, not more trusted creators, but creators who had requested to get access to the beta. So kudos to you all. Thanks for everybody who did the beta. We'll have more beta stuff coming soon on new cash out system and new user profile, like that kind of stuff. So expect the beta program to stick around. But 1.8 has been in their hands for a couple weeks. We have it out now, which makes creating your content so much easier because you can find actually what you're looking for. You can find the brands a lot easier. You can manage your playbooks a lot easier. So especially for the gold creators.
Gold plus
creators. I mean, the playbook library, so far the feedback's been really good. And
real quick, just for everyone who's watching who's like, what the hell is Gold Plus? I think it's important to highlight that we have a ranking system in the platform. So for everyone who's newer to our platform, you're probably on the copper tier or maybe the silver tier. A lot of more opportunities for earnings get unlocked once you get to Gold Plus. So there's Gold and 2 other levels above it. So highly encourage everyone to check that out and how that works and work towards getting to those levels because more money is made at those levels.
Yeah, and some other cool stuff too. I mean, you know this, but the time on our app actually increased significantly since we added 1.8.
Nice.
Which means more people are looking at playbooks, getting ideas, and it's not just picking the one thing and going with it, right?
Cool.
It's understanding what you're making. The intent of what you're making is going to make your views better. So that's great. We've also seen way more engagement on the levels.
Yeah.
Most people didn't know the levels existed before. But
I just told them. What are you talking about?
Now you can see, I have to be gold in order to make Pingo content or Lingo content, or, recording my face with margins or recording my face with noise.
Yeah, cool.
All of that is, we're already seeing metrics go up on those.
What can you tell me? I mean, I know the answers, but what can you tell the audience about the new cash out system? So cash outs, as is understandable, you guys are all here in our platform trying to, obviously earn maybe not passively, actively, but flexibly for whatever it is that you want in life, whether it be, you're a college student and you just want money to party, or you're a parent, you want to take care of the family, pay some bills. Whatever the case is, we want to help as much as possible. And we know that cash outs is something that is not perfect in our platform yet. So we've been spending a lot of time working on how to level that up.
Mm-hmm.
We don't want to say too much yet. We obviously, some testing is still needed, but what can you tell the audience of what is coming that is a fun little tease?
Well, I'm going to start in a different place.
Okay.
And I'm going to kind of talk about what people are cashing out for.
Okay.
So there have been some really cool stories this week already. Just spoke to a new creator. She's a veterinarian.
Nice.
And her goal on Noise is to help pay her student loans from going to vet school, right? To help pay those student loans each month.
Yeah.
What she wants to earn, I think, is very achievable on Noise. I think she's going to do a really good job. So we have people wanting to pay their student loan bills. We've got people who want to pay their rent. We have people who, there was a creator, I can't remember her name. Sorry, I'm blanking on it. I want to say it's Cora. It's not. But they said that they're bringing their whole family to Disneyland.
I remember.
Yeah,
yes,
so an entire family going to Disneyland. They're getting their flights, hotels, park fees, all that kind of stuff on Noise. They're about ready to cash out. And then the other part will be all the expendable stuff on food and whatever else.
My only ask to that creator is that they have to take the entire family to Hollywood Studios to Rise of the Resistance. The Star Wars ride.
Very cool. Yeah.
Life-changing if you haven't done it. I cannot describe it. It is just incredible.
Maybe we'll drop the photo of you and me in front of the Millennium Falcon with this.
Well, that one's the other one. That's
put it in post.
Yes. Okay.
But I just really want to highlight what people are spending the money on.
Yeah.
And why we're making these changes to the cash out system are because of all those reasons, right? Right now, we have a 4% fee on what the creators actually withdraw. So Annie just withdrew $16,000 today.
Nice.
Right? So we paid Annie $16,000, which is awesome.
And to everyone watching at home, you can do what Annie does.
For the math on that one, I'm not a great math guy, but 16 times 40, I mean, you're talking...
I don't want to try it and then get, put on the spot that I can't do mental math. So I'm just not even going to try.
Hey, I'm the finger painter guy, right? I'm not the math guy. That's the math guy.
I'm not the math guy either.
Yes, sir. Stu's the math guy. So my point is that 4% fee is because we were using an old platform, and it's just we've outgrown it, right?
Yeah.
They don't see all the fees that we pay on our end too. Like we've paid crazy
Everyone's paying fees. Clunky system.
So it's completely gone now.
The fact that you have to go into your email inbox and then process a cash out.
Yeah.
Kind of a mess.
Yeah. I mean, everyone's familiar with
that. Great.
I have signed up with an Apple email and we're like, oh, dude, I'm sorry. Apple hides your email from us. We got to fix that, send the money out. It's just a mess. So all of that is completely gone. And again, all the reasons are for us that we want to make the cash out system as simple, straightforward, flawless, no fees, all those important things.
Simpler, very important. For a different reason, also very important. No fees.
No fees.
So if you want to cash out $50, how much arrives at your bank account?
$50.
If you want to cash out $5,000,
$5,000. If you want to cash out $50,000, $50,000 hit your bank account.
Nice. Yeah. Okay. Speaking of cash outs, should just fun little announcement. If you're watching today, Friday, March 27th, is we have made latest batch of cash outs.
Mm-hmm.
So make sure you check your inbox because we still fulfill them that way. If you don't see it, go bother James. Don't go bother me. And hopefully this is the last time we do them this way. It might be the second to last time we do them this way, depending on how next week goes. There might be some more testing and sanding down.
Yeah. I mean, what you guys don't see, speaking to the folks here and pointing at the camera for those listening on audio only, John and Stu and Nico are all over there working on cash out system and other things. So John was draw fully, got a nice little confetti cannon.
Did you come up with that, or did you come up with that?
I came up with
Okay,
it.
cool.
There's a button, so when you cash out, you'll be able to hit a button and fire a confetti cannon and celebrate. It'll be pretty fun.
For everyone listening, I have worked with Nick, and I have obviously just been friends with Nick for a long time. His ratio of confetti on products he works on is 100%.
100%.
There's no product he works on that doesn't end up having confetti on it somewhere.
Everyone loves confetti.
Yeah.
Everyone loves confetti.
Yeah.
Find me someone who does not love confetti.
I don't like real life confetti that then you have to like sweep.
Well, yeah, you didn't have to clean it up. You love confetti. Digital confetti is great.
Yeah,
Someone
clean
it up.
Yeah, sure.
But yeah, it's this new system is going to be fantastic. There's a bunch more stuff that we'll announce too on.
You got to save it for other episodes, though.
Yeah. Like when
I'm
you'll
going to
be
be dragging you in once a week in here for you to tell me what you're working on with the team.
Yeah.
So,
To be clear,
at least once a week.
everything that we're thinking of right now is how do we make this the absolute best experience for creators and making an absolutely flawless, easy to understand, zero fees cash out system is the way to do that.
We're also, I think, a little bit too rambly in our new system, so everyone will have to bear. And new system, our new content here that we're working on. So you'll have to forget us. Part of this is also I don't remember what else James told us to talk about, so I'm not gonna ask James.
Well, I'm
what else.
also a rambler,
Yes.
so we are in trouble.
So we're gonna have to run a tighter ship here. But this is fun. We're just trying things out. I don't even know how the cameras look, so we'll figure it out. But what else do we need to talk about?
Well, we did payouts.
Payouts.
We did 1.8.
1.8. Cash outs coming.
Cash outs are
The
in
new
the
cash out
inbox.
system. Studio.
Okay,
so let's talk about what are we going to be banking here. So
yes,
we are going to be running multiple tracks. The first one is the studio will be producing, or like in this studio, we will be producing a creator podcast and all of this ancillary creator content that is helpful. Hopefully once a week, if not more, we will be producing a podcast episode that speaks to the creators, and we'll figure out the right format and make sure we are covering the right things and have recurring segments. And we just want this to be incredibly helpful, something you can listen and or watch to as you're going about your days, so that we help you become better noise creators, whether you just downloaded the app yesterday or if you've been with us for 7 months, 8 months.
Yeah, talking about trends, talking about theory,
all these
talking
things.
about.
And we will be, as we do with everything, pulling from your guys' feedback on how to best do this. And we will ask of you patience, because we're probably very bad at this still. We will be doing exactly all of that for the brands as well. You're welcome to watch that. I think you might enjoy it. You might like it. But that'll just be speaking to founders and heads of marketing at all the different companies that are joining our platform and other companies that we want to join our platform. The third track is that we're going to be using the studio, or the content team in particular will be using the studio to talk in more depth about the brands that are on our platform and the playbooks that they are running. So, you've probably seen Jessica or Zaya or Liana or James talking about particular brands, particular playbooks before. They now have the studio to make all this content.
And we'll be using it to get more, cooler, bigger name brands as well.
Yes. We want to, for the creator podcast, to pull in from our creator community, have them dial in and be a part of interview type style. Same thing with the brands. Maybe we can also mix and match. Like, it'd be great for the creators to hear from brands we work with. It'd be great for the brands to hear from creators on our platform and things like that.
Yeah.
So we don't know exactly how it'll end up playing out, but we know we're going to have a lot of fun. We know we're going to be making a lot of noise, pun intended. And we will figure it out together. So
finger guns.
Watch this. What's that?
Pew, pew. Finger guns.
Watch this space or listen to this space. Thank you if you're still listening, and feedback welcome, unless it's bad, in which case I don't want to hear it.
Also, Greg, I am sure you're going to be listening to the entirety of this podcast.
Shout out Greg, the real OG.
Shout out Greg.
Yes.
When you hear this, just send me, send me the word pickleball, so I know you made it here.
Yeah.
Which I'm waiting for you to send me pickleball.
It's funny you say that, because I mentioned earlier, I can be more explicit. I think on the creator podcast track, we should figure out ways to reward listeners.
Let's drop some Easter eggs.
Drop some
Well, I mean,
money.
we're going to be dropping a lot of knowledge.
Drop some money. I'm sure we can figure out ways to gamify, every episode we...
Booty shorts.
Or merch.
Oh, yeah,
things
merch.
like that.
Did we talk about merch going out yet?
No, and I did bring it up yesterday in our trial run that we needed to showcase, and I didn't bring it in.
Merch.
We'll do it next time.
Merch.
Save some for later. Let's wrap it up right now, but glad to have you here with me in this room. It's getting a little hot, James, these lights. We'll need to figure that out.
He's from Honduras, and I'm fine.
Yeah, maybe I'm just nervous.
You're just built different,
Maybe I'm just
apparently.
You're gonna burn.
All right. Anyway, see you soon.
I grew up
Thanks
in
so
the
much.
literal rainforest. These lights are a little toasty for me.
And with that, we'll close out episode 1.